Happy Independence Day, Nigeria. I'm really excited to be a Nigerian. I wish that all of our dreams come true and that we become a better nation at all that we do.
We wish to attain the Nigeria of our dream. Happy Independence Day, Nigeria.
I wish that the green and white Nigerian flag keeps flying high. Happy Independence Day, Nigeria.
I wish Nigeria continues success and that the labor of our heroes past and present is not in vain. Happy birthday, Nigeria.
Today we cherish the ones who have made our independence possible. And so that happy independence, Nigeria.
So I wish Nigeria peace and growth and happy Independence Day, guys.
I wish Nigeria all the best and greatness. Happy Independence Day, Nigeria.
Nigeria better tomorrow than yesterday's. Happy Independence in Nigeria.
We believe in the new Nigeria.
Happy Independence Day.
I wish Nigeria prosperity, better things ahead, growth, progress, better economy, better everything. Happy Independence, Nigeria.
Happy Independence, Nigeria.
I wish Nigerians peaceful celebrations and a happy independence.
I wish Nigeria all the love, all the growth, and especially good leaders. So I urge everyone to come out in the next coming election so that we vote to join hands together to make Nigeria a great nation. Happy Independence, Nigeria.
Happy Independence, Nigeria. And remember, think 7 or 7.